Sometimes you just want your Insta life to stay your Insta life. Maybe you are tired of strangers viewing your stories, or you just want a little peace from curious eyes. Going private gives you full control over who follows, likes, and sees your posts, and it's easier than you think. In today's video, I'll show you why switching to a private account on Instagram is worth it and how to do it step by step. Whether you're protecting your privacy, filtering followers, or just want a calmer, more personal feed, grab your phone and let's turn your Instagram into your inner circle only zone. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your Instagram app, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down until you can see the section Who can see your content. Here you can see under Account Privacy, my account is public. Tap on it. Toggle the switch on for private account here. Do take note that if you switch to a private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos, and also other features will be made invisible and private to non-followers. To confirm this, tap on Switch to Private. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.